Want to take your phone photography skills to the next level? Time to transition from basic point and click to capturing breathtaking moments that narrate a tale. This adventure starts with mastering your camera's capabilities to maximize their potential. We're here to equip you with efficient techniques that will transform your regular device into a potent instrument of creativity. Ready to considerably enhance your Instagram content? Or maybe just intensify your reminiscent moments? Prepared for the plunge? Let's uncover the mysteries of phone photography. How well do you know your phone camera? Your pocket device isn't just for selfies, it's gateway to photography. Explore HDR, capturing light and dark details for vibrant photos. Discover portrait mode for focused subjects and blurred backgrounds. Don't ignore night mode for bright photos in low light. Experiment with these settings. Mastering your camera's features is the first step towards capturing stunning photographs. Ever heard of the rule of thirds? It's a game changer. This fundamental photography principle can transform your compositions dramatically. Imagine a grid dividing your viewfinder into 9 equal parts. Rule suggests positioning your scene's crucial elements along these lines or at their intersections. It's about balance and engaging viewer's eye. With most smartphones, you can overlay this grid on your screen. Use it to strategically position your subject for a balanced, visually appealing photo, and voila! Your phone photography is now on a whole new level. Remember, the rule of thirds is your secret weapon for balanced, visually appealing photos. Lighting and angles, the make or break of any photograph. Let's explore the magic of lighting. It's the secret sauce that can transform your snaps into masterpieces. Good lighting illuminates details, creates shadows, and sets the mood. Natural light is a photographer's best friend, providing warm, atmospheric shots. If it's cloudy or you're indoors, use available light sources like windows or lamps. But photography isn't just lighting, it's also about angles. Experiment. Climb up high or get down low. Tilt your phone or flip it upside down. Each angle shift presents a new perspective, a new narrative. A straight-on shot is strong, but an angled one adds depth and intrigue. So grab your phone, play with the light, and manipulate those angles. Make the ordinary extraordinary. With the right lighting angles, your phone photos can rival those of a DSLR. And that's a wrap on phone photography basics. We've journeyed through the essentials, starting with understanding your camera. We've discussed features, the rule of thirds, and the significance of lighting and angles. These are just guidelines. The beauty of photography is in experimentation and creativity. Feel free to break the rules. Experiment with angles, manipulate lights, and keep shooting. The best camera is the one with you. Keep shooting, keep exploring, and see you in the next video.